Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore where the distance formula comes from. You'll see how it's directly connected to one of the most famous theorems in all of math, the Pythagorean Theorem. First, let's quickly review coordinate geometry. This is simply a way to visualize math. We use an x-axis, which runs horizontally, and a y-axis, which runs vertically, to create a grid. Any point on this grid can be identified with a pair of numbers, called coordinates. Our main objective is to figure out how to calculate the straight-line distance between any 2 points on this grid. Let's call them point 1 and point 2. We want to find a general method for measuring the length of the line that connects them, which we'll call t. To do this, we need a special tool, the Pythagorean Theorem. It applies only to right-angled triangles and states that if you square the lengths of the two shorter sides, A and B, and add them together, you get the square of the longest side, C. That is, A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Now, let's connect these ideas. If we draw a horizontal line from our first point and a vertical line from our second point, they meet to form a right-angled triangle. The distance we want to find, D, has just become the hypotenuse of this triangle. The lengths of the triangle's other two sides are easy to find. The horizontal leg is simply the change in the x-coordinates, which is x2 minus x1. The vertical leg is the change in the y-coordinates, which is y2 minus y1. Now we can substitute these values into the Pythagorean theorem. Our first leg, A, is the change in x, our second leg, B is the change in y and the hypotenuse, C is the distance. So, the change in x squared plus the change in y squared equals d squared. We are very close to the final formula. We currently have d squared, but we just want d to isolate d. We simply take the square root of both sides. This gives us our final result, the distance formula. Let's see it in action with some numbers. Imagine we have a point at 1, 2, and another at 5, 5. We substitute these values into our formula. 5 minus 1 for the x values, and 5 minus 2 for the y values. This simplifies to 4 squared plus 3 squared, which is 16 plus 9. So d equals the square root of 25, which is 5. So there you have it. The distance formula isn't just something to memorize. It's simply the Pythagorean theorem applied to the coordinate plane. By turning any 2 points into a right-angled triangle, we can use this ancient and powerful tool to find the distance between them.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.